Hi, I present to you guys today a healthy peanut butter cookie recipe made with molasses and almond flour. We need 6 ingredients, which are a quarter cup of molasses, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, a quarter cup of almond flour, a quarter cup of sugar, and 1 cup of peanut butter. Whisk together the sugar and the baking powder and then add the remaining ingredients after. Mix well all the ingredients in the bowl. Grease your hands with oil or butter and using a tablespoon as a measurement, roll little balls. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit and bake the cookies for about 10 to 12 minutes. The cookies will spread a little bit, which is normal. Enjoy it. Bon appétit!